Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove threads from Instagram. So to start, open Threads app, click your profile in the bottom right corner. Now go to settings in the top right. Next, go to account center at the very top. So from here, go to the bottom and select manage accounts. Select your Threads profile or account and click manage. Tap the activation or deletion. So in here, choose delete account and follow the prompts. Click continue. Click continue again. Choose a reason why you want to remove your Threads profile, then click continue. Click continue again. You can export your information before you delete your account, then click continue. Enter your password, click continue, then click delete account to confirm the action. So this deletes your Threads profile, it does not delete your Instagram account. So you can also deactivate Threads temporarily. So in the same menu, go to account, then go to deactivate or delete profile, then choose deactivate profile instead of deleting it. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.